Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and thank you guys so much for joining me again. Chloe is with her dad this evening, so I thought I would go ahead and try to record my springtime makeup routine. Just because it'll be a lot easier trying to do it now versus when she's here knocking at my door or trying to get into the vanity. So I actually just got off of work not too long ago, and I already had on a full face of makeup, so I took off the makeup I was wearing, and that MAC lipstick I was wearing earlier today, if you saw my Instagram post, was Candy Yum Yum, and it was pretty hard to get off, and I'm out of lip scrub, so I've been doing some severe scrubbing of the lips. Anyways, I didn't really want to make it too much of a chit chat, get ready with me kind of routine, but I have to share with you guys. I went to pick up some Chick-fil-A after work, and yes, I'm still eating good. I just got some grilled nuggets. I went and picked up some Chick-fil-A, and it's a new one that just opened in our area, and when I got to the line to place my order, there were people standing outside. I guess they're practicing doing that before they let them go over to the actual drive-through experience. So yeah, they spelled my name instead of Heather, they put Heater. So when I got to the window to get my food, the girl with the receipt's like, Heater? I've got your kids' meals. And I was like, yeah, it's Heather. And she's like, oh, they just can't spell, can they? And I was like, it's okay. You know, you'd be surprised at how often that actually does happen. I had someone yesterday write down Heater instead of Heather. But so as I was getting ready to drive off, she gave me my drinks, and the girl was like, oh, I thought you said they wrote Peter. And she's like, no, it's Heater. And I was like, yeah, I'm not a heater. Clearly it's a mistake, it's Heather. And the girl was just like, yeah, we're sorry about that. They knew I heard them talking about it. So it was kind of funny, but at the same time, it's like, really, people? Really? Okay, you guys, enough of all of that. Let me bring you in a little bit closer to me. Hopefully that's good enough. The setup's a little bit different for now. I am working on getting a prettier background for you guys. Something that'll be a little bit more appealing while I'm doing my makeup. If, you know, I don't do a lot of makeup videos, but when I do them, or when I do any videos where it's just me sitting down talking, I kind of want to have a different backdrop for you guys instead of my room. So anyways, this is going to be my springtime go-to look. Nothing too fancy. You guys know I don't do a lot of dramatic. I don't do dramatic looks at all, actually. So this is going to be hopefully really quick. I will try to link all of the products down below. So if you're interested in any products, I should have everything there for you guys. If you have any questions about the products, let me know. So I'm just going to jump right into it.
Using Soap & Glory's One Heck of a Blot, I'm going to go ahead and prime my face. I've really been liking this primer, you guys, and sometimes we forget how important primer is, but it's really going to help the makeup sit on your skin a lot better, and it's going to make it look a lot smoother and a lot more even. Wet n Wild has some great products. I'm using their finishing spray to spray my beauty blender because I'm going to use my L'Oreal True Match foundation, and this is a little bit darker than I intended to purchase it, but using the spray dampening the beauty blender kind of helps lighten it up and even it out a little bit better for my skin tone. I could not make up my mind. I love both of these concealers, my LA Girl Pro Conceal, but I'm using this Wet n Wild correction stick. It's really creamy and it blends in your skin so effortlessly. I can't talk again today. I'm using this mini Flawless airbrush. It's from the Sephora VIP Rouge collection, and I just love this little brush. I love it for no matter what concealer I'm using on my face. I've been using this brush, if not my beauty blender. This CoverGirl Clean Matte Compact Powder is really nice. I like to set under my eyes and around my mouth, and of course in my T-zone after I do my face. MAC, you know this is the only blush I use, Fleur Flower Power, And I'm using my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. This is going to be for some light contouring, nothing too heavy when I think of springtime. I'm trying to keep everything really light and dewy and fresh. This Maybelline Master Chrome is a great highlight. You can go as dramatic or as light as you would like it to be. Again, I'm trying to just keep my skin looking glowy and dewy for the springtime. I'm going to let my eyes be the dramatic part in this video, as you will see. This is the palette we're using, and there are a ton of colors in here. I didn't really know which way I was going with it, and I was going to show you guys each color I actually decided to use, but then I said, you know what? We're just going to wing it. So I'm just using a base color. My standard go-to is a light brown, something more neutral, and I'm applying this all over my lid. And then I got brave, and I don't know why, but I reached for this blue and I decided to start putting this on. So I'm going into my crease and along the outer V of my eye. And I'm not really worried about getting it all the way down into the center of our lids, because we are going to go back in with some other vibrant colors, as you will see next. I think I let my shirt kind of be my inspiration and speak to me in this video, because after I used this blue, I went right on top of that, or right next to that, with this bright green. And I kind of let my colors overlap, as you will see. So I kind of go next to the blue and then over on top of the blue, so it blends a little bit more seamlessly. But we're going to clean all this up with a blending brush in just a moment. And then on the inner third of our eye, I'm just going to do this yellow, which overlaps onto the green that we just applied. So again, I think I just kind of, I don't know, I was feeling it from my shirt. My shirt was talking to me in this video. And then we're just blending it out, making sure it looks nice and smooth. No harsh lines.
Pause. Okay, so it's about somewhere when I started putting green with blue that I realized in the beginning of the video I said this was my go-to spring look. Yeah, it's not. It totally just ended up being a look I wanted to create inspired by the springtime, because this is not typically something I would wear out, but this is my moment to be creative and to be great, and I've never done this before, so just bear with me.
Alright guys, so the same thing we did on top of our lids, we're going to do on the bottom. So I'm just going blue, green, and yellow all along the bottom lash line. And I did go ahead and highlight the inner corners of my eyes and my brow bone. A little close up so you can see the progress here. I love this e.l.f. cream eyeliner. I was so blown away by it. I talked about it in one of my vlogs last week. But this brush that comes with it is perfect for application, so you don't need any special brush. It's really creamy and it lasts all day. And for mascara, you guys, I just purchased this mascara. It's the Falsies Push Up Angel by Maybelline. Now, your girl is cheap, so when I purchased this mascara, I was like, where's the rest of my brush? It's a really thin brush, but I like it.
That's what, 4%?
As I was saying, I like it, and the brush somehow does give my lashes a little bit more length. I know it's probably a combination of the brush and the formula, but I've been wearing it just like this, no falsies needed. I just like the look. So this is Barely Nude. It's by Maybelline. It's a matte lipstick. I'm just going to go ahead and put this on my lips, and then to top it all off, we're going to use this sugar. It's a lip treatment. It's in pink. I got it from Sephora, and it's really hydrating for the lips. So that is my final look, you guys. I hope you like it. It was fun. Don't forget to subscribe, thumbs it up, and I'll see you all tomorrow.